London, a city where ancient stones meet towers of glass and steel, history and modernity intertwined. On the banks of the Thames, a vibrant global community thrives, shaped by centuries of culture and connection. From royal parks to bustling markets, London's diversity is its heartbeat. Hello and welcome to Around the World in One Channel. Today, we'll dive into the city's living, breathing soul. We'll explore iconic landmarks, not just as tourist spots, but as vital organs of this urban organism. Join me as we uncover the stories etched into London's fabric, from its highest peaks to its historic heartlands. We'll witness the city's most colourful inhabitants and marvel at treasures from across the globe. Our expedition into London's top 10 must-see attractions begins now. First, the Tower of London, a fortress steeped in nearly 1,000 years of history. Founded by William the Conqueror, it's been palace, prison, and even a zoo. The yeoman warders, or beefeaters, are living links to its storied past. Within these walls, kings and queens were imprisoned, executed, or vanished. Traitor's Gate and the Chapel of St. Peter ad Vincula echo with tales of tragedy. Amidst the darkness, the Jewel House dazzles with crowns and regalia still in use today. The tower is a place of contradiction, royal power and suffering, treasure and tomb. The famous ravens, guardians of legend, hop across the lawns. To explore the tower is to confront the raw, magnificent heart of London's story. It's the city's memory bank, carved in stone. Next, we board a red double-decker bus, an icon of London's transport system. These scarlet giants are the city's arteries, carrying millions on daily migrations. From the upper deck, the city unfolds. Black cabs, hurried pedestrians, hidden architectural gems. The bus is a moving hide, letting us observe the city's rhythms without disturbing them. We pass Westminster's monuments, the West End's commercial heart, and diverse neighbourhoods. Inside, strangers share a quiet, contemplative journey, each lost in their own world. The gentle rocking and hum create a moment of calm amid the city's bustle. Riding the top deck reveals London as a living, breathing landscape. It's a cross-section of the city's many faces, all for the price of a single fare. The journey is as important as the destination. To truly feel London's pulse, ride the top deck of a double-decker. For the city's best vantage point, we ascend the Shard, a spire of glass and steel piercing the sky. The elevator whisks us upward, the city shrinking below. At the summit, London is a living map. The Thames winds through, bridges stitch the banks together. From this height, the city's complexity is breathtaking. Buildings as cells, roads as veins. Red buses and trains become tiny, constant flows of energy. Clouds drift below, casting moving shadows across the cityscape. The Shard reveals London's layers: Roman core, Victorian expansions, sprawling suburbs. Green corridors of royal parks are visible, the city's lungs. As dusk falls, the city transforms. Roads become rivers of light, buildings glow like stars. The view is a testament to human ingenuity and connection. From the Shard, London's story is laid bare in a single magical panorama. It's a perspective that inspires awe. Witnessing London from above is unforgettable. We descend to London's ancient lifeblood, the River Thames. For millennia, this waterway has been the city's heart, carrying trade, people and stories. Cruising its surface is a journey through time, past Roman galleys and Tudor barges. Landmarks like the Houses of Parliament and St. Paul's line the banks, their reflections shimmering. Gulls and cormorants patrol above, native to this urban estuary. The Thames is cleaner than it's been in centuries, a symbol of nature's resilience. The riverbanks shift from modern South Bank to historic Wapping, old warehouses now coveted homes. Bridges connect both sides, stitching London together. The river's gentle rhythm offers peace and perspective. To travel the Thames is to listen to London's oldest storyteller. Covent Garden, once a fruit market, is now a stage for daily spectacle. The central piazza draws crowds for street performers, urban peacocks dazzling with skill and comedy. Performers capture audiences, building tension to a dramatic finale. Around the piazza, boutique shops and high-end stalls offer refined goods. The air shifts from the energy of the street to the luxury of the market building. Nearby, narrow streets hide cheese shops. Nearby, narrow streets hide tea blenders. Nearby, narrow streets hide world-famous theatres. The Royal Opera House stands as a grand landmark, casting its shadow over the lively square. Covent Garden is a blend of high culture and street entertainment, luxury and spontaneity. It caters to every desire, from magic tricks to designer handbags. Here, London's ability to blend sophistication with spontaneity shines. Next, we enter the British Museum, a temple to human history. The Great Court is a communal hub, light-filled and welcoming. Galleries radiate out, each a microhabitat, preserving treasures from every continent and era. Colossal Assyrian guardians, intricate Islamic art, and Egyptian mummies tell humanity's story. The Rosetta Stone, small but mighty, unlock the secrets of ancient Egypt. The museum's purpose to foster understanding and decipher our shared past. Wandering its halls is a global safari through time. These objects are silent ambassadors of lost worlds. The British Museum is London's sanctuary of collective memory. On the Thames bank stands the London Eye, a colossal wheel and modern icon. Its slow, graceful rotation offers a panoramic survey of the city. Boarding a glass pod, you're lifted gently above the skyline. Each pod symbolizes a borough, uniting the city in a single revolution. At the apex, London stretches for miles, stadiums, hills, and green spaces in view. The descent brings the city back into focus, details sharpening. The 30-minute cycle is meditative, a chance to contemplate London's scale and beauty. The Eye is a triumph of engineering and a primal fulfillment of our desire for perspective. It's become an inseparable part of the city's view. To ride the Eye is to see London anew. In Royal London, tradition comes alive at Buckingham Palace. The changing of the guard is a daily ritual of discipline and pageantry. Crowds gather, drawn by the spectacle's authenticity and history. The new guard marches in, scarlet tunics and bearskin hats on display. Their movements are precise, a choreography honed over centuries. The ceremony is a symbolic exchange of responsibility, rooted in real defense. A military band provides a rousing soundtrack, amplifying the grandeur. This ritual is a link to Britain's storied past, a testament to continuity. For soldiers, it's discipline. For spectators, a glimpse into the nation's soul. The changing of the guard is a must-see spectacle of tradition. Tower Bridge, often mistaken for London Bridge, is a masterpiece of Victorian engineering. Its twin towers stand like Gothic sentinels, blending romance and industry. The bridge transforms when tall ships approach, sirens sound, barriers drop, and the bascules rise in a mechanical ballet. Crowds gather to watch this feat of engineering. Ascend to the high-level walkways for a unique view over the river and city. The glass floor offers a thrilling bird's-eye perspective. Marvel at the intricate steelwork and preserved steam engines below. Tower Bridge is more than a crossing. It's living history and functional art. It symbolizes London's maritime past and technological innovation. Watching its arms lift is witnessing a salute to the city's enduring spirit. Tower Bridge is power and grace in motion. Our final stop is Camden Market, a vibrant warren of stalls and shops alive with energy. Here, Londoners gather in a riot of colours and styles, each expressing their individuality. The air buzzes with music, chatter, and the sizzle of global street food. Every stall is a unique nest, offering everything from handcrafted jewellery to vintage clothing. Vendors call out, drawing you into a dance of negotiation and discovery. The aroma of world cuisines lures visitors: Thai, Mexican, Ethiopian, Italian, reflecting London's global reach. Navigating the crowd is an art, a dance of avoidance and engagement. The market's architecture, a blend of old stables and modern spaces, shapes this daily migration. Camden is a thriving coral reef of creativity, competition, and community. It's a sanctuary for the unconventional, a celebration of individuality. To understand London, you must experience the beautiful chaos of Camden Market. As our journey draws to a close, we step back to admire the intricate tapestry that is London. From ancient fortresses steeped in secrets to the bustling arteries pulsing with modern life, each attraction tells a story, woven from centuries of history, culture, and innovation. These landmarks are more than mere destinations. They are living chapters in the city's grand narrative, echoing the footsteps of monarchs, artists, revolutionaries, and dreamers. London is a city that never stands still, a place where tradition and transformation walk side by side. Its streets are alive with stories waiting to be discovered, from the regal ritual of the Guard to the exuberant expression of Camden's market stalls. Each corner offers a new perspective, a fresh invitation to explore. Whether you're drawn by the majesty of its skyline, the secrets of its ancient stones, or the vibrant pulse of its communities, London welcomes you with open arms. So why not write your own chapter? Step into this endless tapestry and let the city's magic unfold before you. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through London's wonders. Until next time, keep exploring. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travelers. Your support helps us bring more adventures to you. See you in the next one.